Hi students, yesterday we completed 4 problems in this exercise and this is the fifth one. Find the intervals in which the function f is given by f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is increasing, decreasing. That means the given function in which interval it is increasing and in which interval it is decreasing, we have to find it. So, find the intervals means which method that is? Second method. That means type 2 mode. Type 2 mode. Solution. Given f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. F dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 6x minus 36. Okay guys, take first step. Step 1. Step 1 means critical point. For that we should take f dash of x equal to 0. That means f dash of x which one? 6x square minus 6x minus 36 is equal to 0. Take 6 common. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. And factors for this guys, x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. That means x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. X minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Then what do you get? X is equal to 3 over 2 minus 2, that minus 2. And he doesn't mention anything. That means actually this is a polynomial function. Polynomial function. Polynomial function means it has the domain is capital R. Capital R means real number line. That means step 2. Step 2. So this is minus infinity and plus infinity 3. Sorry. In this less value is minus 2, and this is 3. And your intervals are minus infinity comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 3, 3 comma infinity, 3 comma infinity. Next guys, step 3. Step 3 means f dash of x minus infinity comma minus 2. What will happen guys? F dash of x minus infinity comma minus 2 means consider minus 1. Consider minus 1. Put in f dash of x. Minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. That means plus 6. Minus into minus plus 6. So 6 plus 6, 12. 12 minus 36. 12 minus 36. Minus will come. So minus will come means this part is less than 0. This part is f dash of x is less than 0. Next guys, f dash of x interval of minus 2 comma 3. Guys, minus 2 comma 3 means those two are integers. In between means better you can take the 0. Better you can use the 0. Minus 2 and 3 between 0 also there. 0 means 0 minus 0 minus 36. Again we are getting the negative value. Negative value means less than 0. And 3 comma infinity. That means 3 comma infinity positive values we are getting. Positive value. That means take 4. Take 4. 4 means 4 square. 66 are 96. 96, 36, 36, 72. That means plus value will come. So f dash of x and interval of 3 comma infinity value which gives greater than 0. Greater than 0. And is asking about the a increasing. Increasing means f is strictly increasing on open interval of 3 comma infinity 3 comma infinity, and decreasing means union, guys. Decreasing means B part is F is strictly decreasing on minus infinity comma minus 2 union minus 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma 3. So this is the indication of problem. See guys, find the intervals in which the function f is given by f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. He is asking is increasing, decreasing about the two conditions. So given f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. Take the first derivative. X cube derivative 3x square. 3x square into 2, 6x square. X square derivative 2x. 3 into 2x, 6x minus 36. This is the first derivative. And step 1. Why we are taking step 1? For getting the critical point. F dash of x equal to 0 means 6x square minus 6x minus 36 equal to 0. Take 6 common. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 6 means factors minus 3x plus 2x. X square minus 3x minus 3 into plus 2 minus 6 will come. Take the common x common and plus 2 common x. That means finally x minus 3 into x plus 2 is the factors, and x is equal to plus 3 or x is equal to minus 2 is the critical points. Two critical points. In that minus 2 is a small number, plus 3 is the big number. So take the real number line, making it splitting into disjoint interval. You will get the three disjoint intervals. Minus infinity comma minus 2 comma 3 and 3 comma infinity. First check it f dash of x. Minus infinity comma minus 2 means sorry guys, take the minus 3. Take the minus 3. Sorry. Take the minus 3. Minus 3 means minus 3 whole square means 9. 9 6 are 54. Plus, so sorry guys, you will get the positive here. You will get the positive because minus infinity to minus 2 means take the less value for the minus 2, that is minus 3 or minus 4. If you consider minus 3 means 9 6 are 54 plus 18. 72 minus 36 plus will come. So greater than 0. So strictly increasing union of minus 2 comma 3 and decreasing condition is so f dash of x minus 2 minus 3 means take the 0 only. 0 minus 0, 0 only minus 36. Negative comes less than 0. And f dash of 3 comma means any take the positive value, you will get the, that means from 3 comma 4 means 4 I consider 16 6 96 6 6 36 that is minus 36 72 minus 72 minus 72 means definitely it is a positive value and greater than 0. Finally increasing minus infinity comma minus 2 minus infinity comma minus infinity comma minus 2 and decreasing condition is minus 2 comma 3. Decreasing condition is minus 2 comma 3. This is the solution. So by reading the question only you have to understand it is type 1 or type 2. You have to identify. Then you have to calculate this one. Okay guys. Student sixth one. In sixth one, 5 bits are there. Find the intervals means it is type 2 model. But out of these, already directly given the polynomial is given different x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube. Just I explain this one and remaining 4 as taken as a homework. Okay. So given f of x is equal to x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube. F dash of x means feel like a f of x into g of x. F of x into g of x means x plus 1 whole cube into d by dx of x minus 3 whole cube plus x minus 3 whole cube into d by dx of x plus 1 whole cube. That means x plus 1 whole cube into 3 into x minus 3, x minus 3 whole cube into 3 into x plus 1. Take some terms common. 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 1 common. If you take a common means, what do you get now? X plus 1 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square. Simplified. 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 1. Write it out. X square plus 2x plus 1. X square minus 6x plus 9. So totally 3 bracket of x minus 3 into x plus 1 into 2x square minus 4x plus 10. Okay, guys, step 1. Step 1, f dash of x is equal to 0. That means 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 1 into, this is actually take 2 common also, x square minus 2x plus 5. Students, I did mistake here. After derivating of this function, we are getting x plus 1 whole cube into, this is x cube na, 3x square into d by dx of x minus 1 means 1 plus x minus 3 whole cube into this one x plus 1 whole cube is 3 into x plus 1 whole square will come into d by dx of x plus 1 means 1. So in these terms I am taking common 3 of x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3 whole square. It means here you will get x plus 1, here you will get x minus 3. By adding that you will get. So that simplification I did here, totally 6 into x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3 whole square into x minus 2. Okay, then now this is only first derivative of the function, because it is different from this 4. That's why I am explaining this. So observe students, completion of this, go for the first step. F dash of x equal to 0. F dash of x equal to 0. Then taking means, what do you get? X plus 1 whole square equal to 0, x minus 3 whole square equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then finally x equal to minus 1, or x equal to 3, or x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Finally, after getting the critical point, we have to divide the real number line into different intervals. I made here. Minus infinity plus infinity, minus 1, 2, 3. How many means? Minus infinity comma minus 1, minus 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to infinity. These are the intervals. And by taking these intervals, you have to find out where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. So guys, sixth problem, it is of you only. Just how you have to differentiate this function that I explained. I given the intervals. In these intervals, you have to substitute and where it is increasing, where it is decreasing, you have to complete it. So today, these 5 problems is homework. Note down clearly. Student, next is 7th one. In the sixth main 5 problems are there. 5th problem I given up 2 intervals. The remaining 2 steps we have to solve it, guys. Okay, and remaining 4 problems consider as a homework. See the 7th one. Again is a show that y is equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x greater than minus 1. So x greater than minus 1 means we have to consider open interval of, what is the meaning of means? It is x belongs to minus 1 comma plus infinity. The meaning is x greater than minus 1 means minus 1 comma up to plus infinity. Okay. Is an increasing function of x throughout its domain. Domain means it's nothing but this is the domain. Open interval of minus 1 comma infinity. Okay, given y is equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x, x greater than minus 1, x greater than minus 1. dy by dx is equal to log of 1 plus x means log x derivative 1 by x. Again d by dx of 1 by x means 1 only. So just stop it, 1 only. Minus. It is f of x by g of x formula. f of x by g of x formula. g of x into d by dx of f of x minus f of x into d by dx of g of x and g of x whole square. And I simplified this like this, guys. After simplifying this, you will get like this. Final answer, what you get is final simplification, whatever it is, take the simplification final. F dash of x is equal to x square by 2 plus x whole square into 1 plus x. This is the first derivative result. First derivative of the given function is result. And also, what we have to observe here, that x domain, x is greater than minus 1. Greater than minus means, suppose, take one example, minus 1 to infinity means, I consider it 0, because 0 is also greater than minus 1. 0 means 0 by anything is 0. And keep plus 1. Plus 1 means 1 by, this is also positive, this is also positive. Total positive value. That means, if you are putting 0 value, you will get the 0 and also positive value. So, what do you consider? F dash of x is greater than or equal to 0. F dash of x is greater than or equal to 0. Finally, the f is increasing function throughout its domain. So, this is the simplification, guys. That means, what you are observing in previously, we just understand the concept and very simple simplification function is given to us. And then easily we calculate the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 2. Otherwise, show that also simple function he mentioned. But now, he is taking the somewhat lengthy simplification type of function he can giving the. And again, we have to apply the same method, either type 1 or type 2 model. So, this is the simplification, guys. Understand it. Just solve it. Students, 8th one is telling find the values of x for which y is equal to x into x minus 2 whole square is an increasing function. Again, this is type 2. So y is equal to x of x minus 2 whole square means I written as x square into x minus 2 whole square. And this is f of x into g of x. I applied the formula like that. Clear, guys? And I got this solution for the f dash of x. 4x into x minus 2 into x minus 1. I calculated for derivative of this function. I got the result 4x into x minus 2 into x minus 1. Step 1. F dash of x is equal to 0. 4x into x minus 1 and x minus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So finally we got the three critical points. The three critical points divide the real number into 4 disjoint intervals. One is minus infinity comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma infinity. After getting the intervals, what we are like check post. Check post means checking the post. So f dash of x we are checking minus infinity to 0. Minus infinity to 0 means take any negative value. Negative value means observe here, guys. So negative value means this is minus, and here also you will get the minus. Here also you will get the minus. 3 times minus is multiplied with definitely you will get the negative value. Negative whole cube. That means already said that a negative number power is odd number. Odd number means definitely it is minus 1. By that, it is getting the minus. Minus means less than 0. And come to here, 0 and 1 only. 0 and 1 means better you can take the one value 0.5. 0.5 positive one. Here this is a plus. This one is the plus 0.5 minus 1 here we get a minus 0.5 means here also get a minus minus into minus plus plus into plus plus only that's why it is greater than 0 and next f dash of x 1 comma 2 means 1 comma 2 means again you can take 1.5 1.5 means this is a plus 1.5 minus 1 will get the plus 1.5 minus means minus will get plus into plus 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 into minus minus so that's why I written less than 0 obviously next taking the more than that 2 above means 2 above values means this is positive and this is also positive 100% will get the positive value so observe this intervals also minus plus that means alternate one is minus second is plus minus plus like that you are getting the polynomial function curves so this is and not written the step 4 means what you have to write guys where it is increasing means the function is increasing at 0 comma 1 union 2 comma infinity strictly increasing 0 comma 1 union 2 comma infinity and strictly decreasing minus infinity to 0 union 1 comma 2 that is the conclusion statement so not sufficient good na better you can write that so guys whatever it is increasing decreasing function means take more care about the which one that means which model is type 1 and which model is type 2 type 1 means he will ask to show that or prove that and type 2 means definitely will ask the find the intervals he asked means keep in mind 4 steps we have 4 steps that step 1 is finding the critical point after getting the critical point divide the real number line or what he mentioned the interval divide into intervals after getting the interval once you have to check it where it is that means in which interval it is increasing decreasing after checking that finally concluded yes the given function is increasing in particular intervals and decreasing in particular intervals that is the meaning of it so note down 9th one students, prove that y is equal to 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function of theta in 0 comma pi by 2. 0 comma pi by 2 means it indicates first quadrant. First what you do means prove that means it is type 1. First find out f dash of theta, that means dy by d theta. This is the simplification of up to here dy by d theta 1. This is the simplification of dy by d means f dash of theta with respect to theta 1. Calculating after completion of that, final conclude what we got is cos theta into 4 minus cos theta 2 plus cos theta whole square. Student, closed interval of 0 comma pi by 2 means first quadrant. In first quadrant, cos theta value positive. That too, the range is plus 0 comma plus 1. 0 comma plus 1. Suppose if you consider it, if it is cos 90 means 0 by 0 everything is 0. That means r equal to also coming. And one more is, if it is 1, highest value is 1. 1 into 4 minus 1 means 3 by something positive value. So f dash of theta greater than or equal to 0 it will come. So this is, thus f is increasing function of theta in open interval of, closed interval of 0 comma pi by 2. The main thing is what you have to understand in the coming problems means more simplification functions will come in that coming problems only guys. Nothing is there. What we completed the method, that is only we are following the same method. Finally what we have to show means yes whether it is increasing or decreasing we have to find out and tell them. The main thing is now again once we have to recall your differentiation capacity. What type of function if is given also, you are able to solve the problem. Such commanding is very, very important to hear. So like that, first calculate divided by theta, finally you will get the answer cos theta into 4 minus cos theta by cos theta. What you have to observe here is this is the f dash of theta. This is f dash of theta. Now, just we are taking the domain of theta. Domain of theta 0, pi by 2 means less value, high value observed. Cos 0, 1. Cos 90, 0. 0 is a small value. For suppose if it is 90 means 0 will come. If it is 0 means 1 into 3 means positive will come. So finally f dash of theta is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. So note down. Students, 10th one, prove that the logarithmic function is increasing on open interval of 0, infinity. So logarithmic function means consider as f of x is equal to log x. F dash of x is equal to 1 by x. Students already know that in p by q form, q is not equal to 0. That's why he said open interval. That means we are excluding the 0. And taking what type of values? Positive values we are considering. Domain means in logarithmic function actually don't be consider the negative value in the log of values. So given the domain 0, infinity. 1 by x means denominator also we are placing the positive values. Maybe 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 like that. Whatever it is, 1 by something that too positive value is definitely is positive value. So such values are definitely greater than 0 only. F dash of x greater than 0. So thus the logarithmic function is strictly increasing on open interval of 0, infinity. Students, now today given the 5 problems here and again 5 problems homework is there. Just practice it and day to day complete it. Then only we will be in a safe zone. Whatever the days completed, let it be. And first June also in the next week we are going to start after completion of this one more 10 means remaining 9 problems are there. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will give the 9 problems at a time. Lengthy also nothing will happen. I want to give the remaining 9 problems one class. After coming, we are going to start the maximum minimum. That also lengthy simplifications are there. Better you should be. Take the problems. I will write and explain those problems. Be perfect in that. Try to complete it as early as possible. Okay? Thank you.